How to generate and animate an image from scratch. First, I open GPT Chat and ask it to write a detailed prompt for creating an image of mini workers from a textile factory, dressed appropriately, sewing a logo that will be provided to them on a t-shirt. GPT Chat will then create the prompt for us, ready to copy and paste. So, let's copy the prompt and open Midjourney. Midjourney is a paid image creation site, with a fairly low cost, ranging between $8 and $10 a month. Once Midjourney is open, don't even click Create on the left. At the top, click the little icon next to the text bar and select Image Prompts. Now, click Upload a file to upload the logo image. Then, paste the prompt into the bar at the top and press Enter. Now all we have to do is wait for the result, which will be returned to us as 4 different images linked to the same prompt. Since the result isn't what I was hoping for, I return to GPT Chat to try to modify part of the prompt. I ask ChatGPT to rewrite the prompt, adding the requirement that the generated image must reflect the logo in every possible way. I then copy the new prompt and paste it into Midjourney. I attach a new, slightly more detailed photo of my logo, which I also upload to OmniReference. The new results are significantly superior to the previous ones, but most importantly, they perfectly reflect the proportions and dimensions of my logo. From the 4 images, choose the one you like best and download it. Now ask ChatGPT to generate a short description to animate this image. Then, in Midjourney, I select the starting frame, paste the description, and attach the image. In this case, I gave ChatGPT free rein to animate the image, and this is the result.